Hey there folks, how are you doing? It's Martha Fraser here, and I just wanted to pop in and do a quick Facebook Live on being organised and getting your business on track. So a couple of things that I just want to say to you, and if you are someone who is starting out from someone a couple of years down the line, what I would love to say to you about getting your business ready for growth. So when you do first start out and you're paying your tax and you are, you're possibly not putting your tax money away, and then the end of the year you get a big surprise. So when I first created my business, thankfully the very first thing I did was I created a business account. Now, I was speaking to one of my students the other day and they were working out of a personal account, and can I please, if you're working for yourself, if you are making money, if someone is handing money over to you for doing something, you are in business. You are earning money that has to be taxed. So, and everything that you earn has to be taxed as well. So one thing that I definitely recommend doing is creating your business account. The second thing that I recommend doing, when I created my bank account with Bank of Ireland, what they did was they actually gave me two accounts, one for my income and the other one for what they called a VAT account or tax account. So when money comes in, when my income comes in, a habit that I got into, now I have to say I wasn't 100% on, but a habit that I tried to keep up was putting 50% of that straight away into the tax account. Now, last year I got paid, shocked with a fairly hefty tax bill, and this year I'm putting procedures in place that just to be organised. So with the revenue in Ireland, I'm not too sure wherever you're watching this from, you can make payments to the revenue prior to the deadline. So you can do it through the ROS system, ROS.ie. You can apply to get yourself set up in ROS. If you are self-assessed with your partner, then you will probably have to go through your partner's ROS system or your accountant, where the two of you work with. So what I have set up this week is basically the revenue now have access to my tax account. So I send an email to the accountant. I say, take this amount out this month, pay it to the revenue, and done. So like, if you say to yourself, I'm going to get into a habit of paying, I don't know, depending on, even if you're just starting out, I'm going to pay 100 a month, I'm going to pay 500, 1,000, 2,000, whatever kind of tax bill, 5,000 a month, whatever kind of tax you have, and just, based on your previous year's tax, just kind of say, well, roughly going on what I paid last year, or even if money comes in each month, take half it and pay it to the revenue. I know nobody probably would be excited about this, but it's something that has to be done. So that is my tip for today. Just thought I would share that. And the other thing as well, that something that, I don't know if you do health insurance claims, VHI, who I'm with, has an app now. They probably had it for ages, but I didn't realise it. And you can literally just snap your receipts, write in the date and the amount, and that is your claim. Press send, and that's your claim done. So trying to make money easier to manage for yourself, get your tax sorted, get, your VHI receipts or whatever it is you're doing sorted, and just try to be more conscious of your money. Because I know when I first started out, it's terrible. And to be honest, I'll be 100%, it's not my area, it's not my forte. I finally kind of surrendered with using my partner's bookkeeper, because it's not my area. So all I do know is that I have to pay tax, and that's what you have to do as well. So every month, what did I earn? And the other thing as well is it'll make you more aware that what's coming into your account isn't all yours. You need to earn more money. You've got to pay half that out. Well, not half, but whatever it is you have to pay. So that's my tip for today. I hope that has helped some of you. So ring the revenue, get set up on ross.ie, or ring your bookkeeper and say, right, how can I make a payment every month to the revenue so I'm not stung come October, November, or whatever the deadline is in your country for paying your tax. So I hope that has helped. My little bit of